Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the CleverMade Collapsible Laundry Tote, a versatile solution for managing your laundry needs with ease. This 2-pack of collapsible laundry baskets is perfect for separating clean and dirty clothes, featuring a reinforced steel rim and wooden base engineered with SnapHinge technology for a lightweight yet sturdy structure. Each basket holds up to 2 full loads of laundry and folds flat to just 1.25 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces like dorms, RVs, or small apartments. With dimensions of 22 by 15 by 11.25 inches when open, these baskets are designed to maximize your space while their durable construction can handle the weight of blankets, towels, and clothing. The long carry handles make it easy to transport up to 55 pounds with one hand, offering a convenient everyday organizer for home or travel. Whether you're dealing with limited space or need a reliable travel companion, the CleverMade Collapsible Laundry Tote is your go-to choice for efficient and stylish laundry management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.